Hello students, hope you all are fine. In last session we studied about the King Midas and the golden touch he received from stranger. Today we will continue with further part. Up till here we have studied when the king received golden touch. The next morning when the sunbeam entered Midas' room, he woke up. What are the sunbeams? It is a sunrises. Entered Midas' room, he woke up. Now, next page. He started to touch things within his reach, and as soon as he did so, they turned into gold. The bunch of roses in a vase, the curtains, the bedsheet, and his clothes all turned to gold. Now, as soon as the king got up, what is the first thing he did? He started touching all the things in his room. He started to touch the bunch of roses in a vase, and then he started to touch the curtains. You can see here on windows there are curtains, and when the king touched it, it has turned into gold. The bed sheets, the bed, all the clothes, these are all turned into gold. He ran down to the garden, which was full of blooming roses. Every flower he touched turned into gold. Now, after touching the things in the room, what did king do? He ran to the garden. And what did he do? He started touching the roses. There were a lot of roses in the garden. And he started to touch all the roses. And all the roses were turning into gold. Why? Because he got the golden touch from the stranger. Satisfied at having found so much gold, King Midas went for breakfast. Alas, the food and drink he touched turned to solid gold. Now, after touching the flowers in the garden, King was very happy. He was very happy. Why? Because whichever things he was touching, that were turning into gold. Now, King went for breakfast. As soon as he started eating, it also turned into gold. Whichever thing he was touching, like fruits, like drink, all were turning into gold. He was not able to eat anything or not able to drink anything. The worst was still to come. His little daughter, who rushed into his arms, also turned into a golden statue. Now Midas was in great sorrow and despair. Now the worst thing happened. What did happen? When the king's little daughter came to hug her father, and she also turned into a golden statue. Now Midas was in great sorrow. He was in great sorrow and despair. Despair means sadness. He was very sad on seeing his daughter turn into a statue. Now he was not able to play with her and not able to talk with her. He became very sad. And he said, "How I wish I was the poorest man on earth. If only I could get my daughter back." Now, king was very sad. All the thing he wanted was his daughter only. And what was he saying? I was the poorest man on earth. If his daughter is turned into statue, he is the poorest man on earth. Anyhow, he wanted his daughter back. Suddenly, the stranger who had given him the golden touch appeared before him. Now the stranger said, "Are you happy, dear Midas, now that you can turn everything into gold?" Now suddenly, stranger appeared in front of King Midas. And what did he ask him? "Are you happy now? Now you can touch anything and it is turning into gold. So you must be happy now." King said, "I have never been more miserable in my life. I have lost what I truly love. Now I know that gold is not everything. Take back my golden touch, I beg of you, and give my daughter back to me." Now, what was king doing? He was requesting stranger that to take his golden touch back and give his daughter back. Now he don't want any more gold. He just wanted his daughter back to the normal. The stranger took pity on the king. Now the stranger said, "Bring some water from the river that flows near your palace. Sprinkle that water over everything." On hearing king's request, what did stranger said? Bring some water from river that flows near your palace. There was a river flowing through the palace. So king had to bring the water and sprinkle over everything that was turned into gold. Next page. Midas rushed to fill a jug with the river water. Soon the jug and the king's outfit started getting back to their original state. Now king rushed to the river and started filling the jug he had brought. And as the jug was filling the water, king's outfit started getting back to normal. He then poured some water over his daughter's statue. Immediately his little daughter smiled and hugged him. As soon as the king came to palace, he poured river water on his daughter. And as the water was poured over his daughter, she became normal and she started smiling and hugged her father. Then he ran around the garden and the palace. He kept on pouring water to bring everything back to the original form. After the king's daughter come to normal, what did king do? He went to the garden where the flowers were turned into gold. He started pouring water on each flower so that they were also turning into original form. Original form means the earlier form, the way it always used to be. After this, King Midas went on to become a wise and noble king. He had learned that gold was not the most precious thing in the world. After giving back golden touch, King Midas became wise and noble king. Now he was not greedy for the gold. He had understood that gold is not the most precious thing in the world. Here we have finished the lesson. You all have understood the lesson. You have to read it once again and you have to underline the words whichever you are finding difficult. We will write in notebook. From this lesson we have learned that we should not be greedy for anything. We should be happy with whatever we have. Now this is the exercise part and we have to copy down in our notebook. So I will send you the video of question answers and grammar part. So you have to copy in your notebook.